AA001, Costa del Sol delivery, hello, reading you 5x5. AA001, Costa del Sol delivery, cleared to Angaz INTL, runway 12, via departure. Initial altitude 8,000 feet, squawk 3242. Correct. Contact ground on 118.150 when ready for push and start.
Before start checklist. Cockpit preparation completed. Gear pins and covers removed. Signs on. Adheres. Nav mode. Fuel quantity in kilo 07494. Takeoff data set. Baro reference set. Windows, doors closed. Beacon on. Throttle levers idle. Parking brake on. Checklist completed.
AA001, push and start approved.
Ground to cockpit. Can acknowledge. Coming through the menu when you are ready. Ground to cockpit. Tow is driving up.
Park brake off. Park brake on.
Okay, all doors and hatches are closed. Ready to connect. Set parking brake.
Park brake on.
Tow connected and bypass being inserted. Release parking brake.
Park brake off.
Starting pushback and you may start engines.
Starting engine 2. Starting engine 1. Flaps 1, flaps 2. Spoilers armed. After start checklist. Anti-ice as required. ECAM status check. Pitch trim 0.1 down. Rudder trim 0. APU set on. Ground crew clear. Anti-skid and nose wheel steering on. Checklist completed.
AA001, Costa del Sol ground, taxi to holding short runway 12, via Romeo 6, Bravo, Quebec, Delta, Hotel Whiskey 1.
Operation complete. Set parking brake.
Park brake on.
Disconnecting tow. Stand by. tower is disconnected and bypass pin has been removed. And signal on the right. We'll see you next time and have a safe flight.
Flight control check. Full up. Check. Full down. Check. Neutral. Check. Full left. Check. Full right. Check. Neutral. Check. Press pedals disconnect push button. Check. Pedal full left. Check. Pedal full right. Check. Neutral. Check. Press pedals disconnect push button. Check. Checklist completed. Park brake off.
AA001, hold position, runway 1230 busy. AA001, continue taxi. AA001, contact Costa del Sol Tower, 118.450. AA001, Costa del Sol Tower, line up runway 12, and wait.
Before takeoff checklist. Flight controls. Checked. Flight instruments. Checked. Briefing. Confirmed. Flap settings config. Flaps 2. V1. 1. 3. 6. V rotate. 1. 4. 1. V2. 1. 5. 4. Flex temperature. 4. 0. ATC. Set. ECAM memo. No blue. Checklist down to the line completed. If you're ready to continue below the line, click it again. Park brake off. Cabin crew advised. Engine mode selector set normal as wearer required. Packs set off. Course of APU bleed. Checklist below the line completed.
AA001, runway 12 cleared for takeoff, wind 35 degrees 8 knots.
On run.
Power set. rotate. Positive climb.
AA001, contact Costa del Sol approach
Gear up.
136.120.
Autopilot 1, cross-check. Speed checked, flaps 1.
AA001, Costa del Sol approach, radar contact, climb to flight level 80.
Speed checked, flaps 0. Spoilers disarmed. Takeoff checklist. Landing gear up. Flaps retracted. Packs on. Checklist down to the line completed. If you're ready to continue below the line, click it again.
AA001, climb to flight level 270.
Standard Baro cross-check. Passing flight level 079. Baro reference. Standard Baro set. Checklist below the line completed.
In the last month, an hysterical devil's dance began around the new Flight Factor A320 Ultimate airliner. The developers promised an ultra-realistic airliner model, so realistic that it could serve also pilots' training. This was and is a great promise that arises all expectations high into the simulation sky. Parallel to this occurrence, the bright shining star of JAR A320 airliner model became more and more pale. Over a long period, the JAR A320 was the only one respectable model on the X-Plane market. It wasn't a perfect model. It had some serious bugs at the beginning, and although its exceptional design, it is in fact a very simplified model compared to the real A320. All that doesn't mean that it is not a real fun to fly the JAR model, despite its sometimes wired behaves during approach at some crosswinds. The feeling of flying a modern fly-by-wire aircraft is real. As simplified as the A320 Mach 2 is, it is functioning well and its database is working perfectly with X-Plane nav dataset updated using Navigraph actual ARIC data. JAR A320 is moreover compatible to many useful plugins like AutoGate, Better Pushback, Chase View Deluxe, Weather Connector, Sky Max Pro, Sound Max, X-Res and more.
AA001, contact Madrid Center 121.20. AA001, Madrid Center, radar contact, climb to flight level 270.
Most interesting is the interconnection with JAR's life and ground handling. This arrangement is one of the best innovative development that X-Plane never had. First of all, it brings the otherwise static airport sceneries alive, and secondly, it enables a simple kind of ATCOM ground, taxi and take off. It also includes some aircraft traffic. The best thing is that all processes are automated. Personally, I am used to fly not only JAR airliner models under the usage of X-Life. For me it is a good alternative to online flights as with that scene. In the past I tried to fly online, but I got problems because of controller communication and the fact that many times I was en route there was no control in my flight sector. A simulated flight environment at and near airports is one of the most indispensable things I don't want to miss. Now to flight practice. You have already seen in this video the start from cold and dark, the preparations for engine start, and the communication with airport control.
AA001, radar control terminated, monitor Unicom 122.8. AA001, descend at pilot's discretion to flight level 150, expect Delta India Golf Echo 8 Romeo arrival, runway 31 in use.
Now one of the arguments against the JAR models was that they are missing a lot of functionalities. But if you look at the cold and dark procedure of the Flight Sim Labs A320, that is the most sophisticated model on market until now, you will see that both procedures are exactly the same. The in-deep going system becomes relevant mostly if you simulate a special situation during flight like engine failure etc. Then it is relevant that you get on screen all needed information how to is required. In Nuremberg Airport in Germany, the simulated airliner traffic was very little unlike in other bigger airports, so I didn't have to wait in a row for taxi and take off. You could see also the use of checklists for flight preparations and takeoff, and the airport sound background gave us a real airport feeling. In many videos about flight simulation I am missing this kind of interactivity. Simulated flights, especially if they are longer flights, becomes a boring event.
AA001, contact INTL, approach 136.600. AA001, identified, expect Delta India Golf Echo 8 Romeo arrival, visual approach runway 31, descend to flight level 80.
IE communication channels, control addresses and IE aircraft traffic make things to be more exciting. Sometimes I got a TCAS alarm warning and saw another aircraft crossing my way on ND. This and other things like weather radar and implementing moving charts into flight simulation are important elements of any real-life simulation. In my video I integrated some of these things, especially the Navigraph online charts application. Usually I am using the moving charts on my iPad Pro and transferring the A320 MOD to my second iPad. This works fluently using the Bluetooth connection. As you can see in my video using this equipment, I am aware about where I fly en route at every moment, and accordingly I can make all needed preparations on time. It is clear that JAR A320 could and should be more sophisticated. It is a question of time and money and the estimation about the use market. I think that JAR developers missed the point to see the strong demand for high-end aircraft models. Being the only one serious developer on the X-Plane Airbus market, made them too tranquil. Then came Flight Factor with their ultra aircraft announcement and mixed the cards for new. It is sure that sometime in the near future I will also purchase the FFA320 if it fulfills its promises to be an ultra airliner model, and it is good possible that I can become enthusiastic about its in-depth going technological flight systems. But for now I am in a waiting position to see what really happen, and until then I will keep on flying JAR airliner models and enjoy them as usual. I hope that the JAR group, despite their current agony, will somehow pick up the glove and come out soon with a further development of their A320 in order to become a serious competitor to the Flight Factor A320.
AA001, descend to 2,900 feet, Quebec, November, Hotel 1024, transition level, flight level 70.
JetBlue 881, contact me report.
JetBlue 881, have a good day.
557, when we do left shore, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, clear on 757. First departure, good day.
Speed check, flaps 1. Spoilers half.
369, heavy Kennedy down, level 0 left short, and clear for takeoff.
Speed check, flaps 2.
Delta 2498, Kennedy Town, customer service, and we're doing a short and flying to me.
Spoilers retracted.
Morning, Kennedy, let's get a 531 right.
Land Chili 532, heavy Kennedy Town, runway 21 left, runway 21 right, to land.
Just land runway 31 right, 31 right, 5.
Heavy contact with the
morning.
Delta 2498 from the field left foot and flip the takeoff.
17 knots, on that short, 2498.
Air Mexico 405 can travel with your left foot and minus 28.
Runway 31 left, short, line up on way 7, Mexico, partial 5.
Just 3136, heavy continue Victor. Exit there and then join Alpha to the right.
Down to Victor, Alpha to land, yes, 31.
Approach phase activated.
Delta 2498, contact me departure.
Delta 2498, that's great, thank you.
Yes, 31, 36 heavy, you can monitor the ground to the ramp, 121.9. Mexico 405 on the door, left foot and flip the takeoff.
Radio altimeter alive.
Delta 219, can we come?
Speed checked. Flaps 3.
Over door, left foot and flip the takeoff.
Take off your own shirt.
Delta 47, 670 tower with door, left foot and right up and right. Continue to Victor, exit at Victor, and then taxi on to Alpha. Take taxi Alpha to your ramp, monitor down 121.9.
119, via Alpha, Victor, Alpha,
Speed checked. Flaps full. Gear down.
Motorway 3 left short, JetBlue 2017.
AA001, clear for visual approach runway 31, report established.
we're on 123.9.
AA001, continue approach.
Anytime, good morning, Detail 7 with Romeo.
Approach checklist. Briefings. Confirm. ECAM status. Check. Seatbelts. On. Baro set. 3024. Decision height. 400. Engine mode selector. Set normal as wearer required. Auto brake. Set. Checklist completed.
Thank you.
You said you're 11 to the west or the east? I got you now. You ready?
AA001, contact tower 118.200. AA001, cleared to land runway 31, wind 233 degrees 5 knots.
Landing checklist. Cabin crew. Advised. Auto throttle mode. Speed. ECAM memo. No blue. Go around altitude. It is not okay, sir. It is not set.
34, visual, runway 31.
7901. I should have just used taxi 1 Papa Alpha, monitor down most point out of the left. 734, 74, enemy tower. And 3 1 short, good job. I just seen a 1300 heavy tower. 3 1 right short and straight left.
We are clear to land, 31 right, Argentina, 1300.
624, contact near departure.
Switch departure jet, please. There's everything.
We're 3282, checking in left side visual.
3282, continue.
1000.
The 2826 Kennedy Tower is no left short, line the way, traffic 6 mile base.
Trail and left short, line number 1 Delta 2822.
Hundred above.
Minimum 300.
And go to 34, exit at Mike Charlie,
200.
taxi November, where do you park? Go to 34, the exit here, Mike Bravo, turn right on Bravo.
100.
The 2822 on the floor.
40. 30.
Trail and left short, clear for takeoff, Delta 2822.
Retard.
Caution, on
South.
taxiway,
Rollers
on
full.
taxiway.
First green.
Third line through left, tower 3282.
70 knots.
AA001, take taxiway Victor, when vacated contact ground 118.350.
Flaps 3. Flaps 2. Flaps 1.
100. 50, 40, 30, 20,